everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Chinutay and I'm going to be showing you how I relax, unwind, and pamper myself. If you're new to my page, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also hit that little bell notification next to that button to get more videos like this every week. Now, the first thing I like to do the most important thing really I like to do is to get my nutrients in throughout the day to just feel good. When I feel good, when I got my vegetables and fruits in, my daily dose of all the good stuff that I need, my macronutrients, I feel good, I look good, I have the energy to start my day, because usually I have no energy. I get so dramatic in the morning, it's crazy. I'm definitely not a morning person. But I'm going to show you how I make my quick and healthy smoothie that tastes delicious and has everything that you need, really. So the first thing I do is stuff a whole bunch of kale and spinach into my Ninja Bullet. Now, this is the base of my smoothie. It has so much nutrients in there. Kale is a superfood. There's tons of iron in spinach, and I kind of put as much as I can, really. Stuff the whole thing in there. Then I need to add some sweetness to the smoothie, so I love cherries. I'm obsessed with cherries. Pitted cherries, ugh. And when they're frozen, they just chill out the smoothie and make it tastes so delicious. And I add some bananas in there as well. Another really cool way to add some protein and put in some yogurt, because I can't have yogurt ever since I got pregnant. I actually gag every time I eat yogurt. But I add a container of yogurt in there as well to add some flavor and just smooth out the smoothie, all right? The green juice, whatever you want to call this. I also add some superfood powder, which is like dehydrated vegetables that have so much nutrients and minerals in there. Just an added punch of nutrients in my smoothie. Add some water, blend that bad boy up, and that's pretty much what I have in the morning as soon as I get up, because otherwise I feel faint and I don't have the energy to actually make breakfast. This is all new, by the way. This is since I got pregnant. It's crazy. But I make sure I always wash the blade of the blender right away, because I don't want it to get dull. And yeah, pour it into this little mason jar, and I sip on this throughout the day, or pretty much throughout the breakfast. And I feel good. It helps with my skin. I got my nutrients in there, so if I eat horribly the rest of the day, I don't feel too bad, because I had my green juice this morning. This is John. He usually keeps me company throughout the process. Another way I relax, unwind, I feel good, is to activate my sense of smell, create a spa-like environment. And the first thing I do is light a candle. I'm obsessed with candles. This is Estee Lauder's candle that she gifted me with from her Daisy collection, her jewelry collection. And I also like using diffusers. This is a few essential oils that I like to use, some citrus ones, some ones that I got from Sage as well. I just add a couple of drops of these essential oils in there, cover it up, turn on my diffuser, and the smell just kind of infuses in the entire room, calms my soul, makes me feel good, makes me feel pretty and dainty. And yeah, just a perfect way to set the vibe, okay? Another way I love to relax is masking. Now, this is the L'Oreal Pure Clay Soothing Mask. This stuff is amazing. It's new, it's sensitive skin friendly, it smells amazing, it feels great. It's a clay mask that doesn't super dehydrate your skin. It leaves your skin feeling so soft, so supple. Did I say it smells amazing? It smells amazing. L'Oreal has collaborated with me to show you guys this new mask, and I want you guys to try it because it is probably their best one thus far. And I'm a huge fan of the L'Oreal masks. I think I have all of them. I let this dry, and in the time it takes for it to dry, I try to keep myself busy. My cat is so big now. He weighs so much that he just slips throughout I can't even hold him right. And he's still a baby. He's only 1 year old. So this is him kissing me, and we play a little bit, bond. I get fur all over my clothes, which is, you can't have your cake and eat it too, right? All right. Now, this is something I absolutely love to do every single week, and my baby sister, Shad Patel, always talks about buying yourself flowers, so I started buying myself flowers. Every Friday, I try to buy myself flowers, or some day in the week. It feels good, it smells good, your home feels home-like, You know, it's the perfect touch, and you just feel good about it. I get these flowers from a shop downstairs, like around my neighborhood, and it just, I think it's so pretty, so feminine. Adds a punch of color, do you know what I mean? Add a candle in there as well, but not so close to the flowers because you don't want to set a fire. Now, another way I like to relax and unwind is to take a nice warm bath. These are some bath bombs. They're both very clear. I'm not a big fan of the colored bath bombs just because I don't like sitting in a pool of color. It's just a personal preference, but this one smells really good. It's soothing, it's calming, and it adds a lot of moisture to the water. So while I'm doing this, I have this little bath tray, and it's really helpful because I can put my little snacks there, my water to keep hydrated, a nice candle, my rubber ducky, but also a book that I'm reading, or a tablet or something that I'm watching on Netflix. Most of the time I like reading because it is a calming environment, and reading is just a much more calming thing to do. But just relax and unwind, take a bath, try it out. If you're not a bath person, you may be after you try it out properly. Do the whole works, feel good, and pamper yourself. Sit down, turn off the TV, turn off my phone, and just take a moment and relax. Pray, meditate, read a book. I'm currently reading What to Expect When You're Expecting, and it blows my mind how it literally knows everything about me and what I'm going through. The baby right now actually is 6 inches long. So I'm telling my bestie who's recording me that the baby is 6 inches long, and it's blowing my mind how fast this whole pregnancy is going. But because I'm pregnant, and also because I just want better skin, because I've been breaking out since all the hormones and with all that stuff, I love to keep hydrated. And vitamin C, lemon in the water is just a perfect way to keep hydrated and feel good and look good and keep glowing. So making sure you drink all your water, you will literally thank yourself later. This is John grooming himself. I mean, it's appropriate. It's like a video of how to pamper and groom yourself, right? All right, so this step is pretty simple, sweet and simple. Treat yourself. Treat yourself with a healthy snack. And if a mailman happens to come across your door and deliver a box of canals from France, treat yourself with that too. That's exactly what happened. This never happens. So yes, I'm gonna treat myself with a little snack. Enjoy a nice snack, enjoy a nice treat, and treat yourself. Alright, so by this time, it's usually time for me to take off the mask and give myself a mini facial. Now this is pretty much, it's probably not even mini, it's a facial. It's a full-on facial, alright? This is what people do when they go and get facials done, but I'm doing it at home. So I take a bowl of warm water and I take a face cloth and I let that soak for a few seconds and I wipe everything off. It just melts my mask off. My skin feels good. Oh, my skin feels amazing, actually. It feels supple. I feel like I've just detoxed it. I think it's perfectly ready to be prepped and primed and moisturized. I love to use this vitamin C paste. Now, vitamin C is a must-use product in all my skincare regimens, especially now. It helps with hyperpigmentation, dark spots, darkened areas on your face, elbows, wrists, whatever. Vitamin C is very important for especially people with my type of skin. And then I put on some lip Laneige lip mask. I use it in the daytime and the nighttime. It feels really, really good. After I do that, I go on with some hyaluronic acid. Very important, hyaluronic acid. I always incorporate it in my skincare routine. Just 2 little pumps, drops, whatever is perfect. That's all you really need. You spread that out. And yeah, that's it. We got our serums in, we got our acids in. Next, we go in with some hydrating moisturizer. I am like the creamier, more wet, hydrating the cream is, or the moisturizer is, the better. Like, I like it super moisturizing. Like I'm putting butter on my skin. And this is the new Avene hydrating moisturizer, perfect for winter. I have really dry skin, so it really just, like, my skin just soaks it all up. And I just push that into my skin and just massage it in. Next, SPF, one of the most important steps. I never miss an SPF moment. No matter how much time I have, SPF is like my go-to skincare routine because you gotta protect your skin from the sun. Even though it's winter, you still put on your SPF. You put on your SPF every single day, okay? Every single day. Putting on some eye cream that has vitamin C in there, and I'm gonna list all the good stuff down in the description box for you. And last but not least, I'm trying this Avene thermal water spray that feels so good on my skin. It just sprayed all over the place, and I just feel like it just adds an extra boost of glow and hydration. Feels really good and locks everything else in place. And that's it. I got my facial done at home, super easy. Feel good. My skin loves it. I love it. Skin pampering is like the best step ever because you just look good throughout the day and your skin thanks you for it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this and John's little cameo appearances. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and comment down below. Let me know what you'd like me to film coming up. By the way, he actually loves when I do this. Look at his eyes. Oh yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.